Hello students, today we are going to study the reaction of alkene with water, okay, with its mechanism also. How does the reaction mechanism takes place, okay? If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel, like my channel and share it with everyone, okay? Now, without wasting any time, we shall go with the reaction and its mechanism. Let us see what's the reaction over here. Whenever you take an alkene over here, suppose I am taking an alkene CH3, CH double bond CH2, that is a propene. Suppose there is an alkene over here CH3, CH2 double bond CH3, CH double bond CH2, that is an alkene, that is a propene. When treated with water, in the presence of H plus, that is acid catalyzed reaction, okay, in the presence of H plus, the reaction results in the preparation of CH3, CH, OH, CH3, that is 2-propanol. Now over here this reaction is also called hydration reaction. Addition of water is nothing but hydration reaction. This reaction is also called hydration reaction. Now carrying out with the mechanism over here, as I told you, we are also going to take the mechanism over here. Let us start with the mechanism. The mechanism is in this manner. See here, first of all, your propene over here CH3, CH double bond CH2 is treated with acid catalyzed, that is H plus. Okay, H plus. Now the H plus have the ability, positive charge goes towards negative, and over here we have double bonded pi bond. Double bonded which bond? Pi bond. The H plus attacks the pi bond, but the pi bond is over here with this carbon as well as this with this carbon. Now what happens over here? We'll have to check the stability, which cation is highly stable. Okay, which cation is highly stable? I am repeating it. Which cation is highly stable? How will you check it? See here. CH3, CH double bond CH2. When the H plus arises over here in first condition, okay, the pi bond electrons, which are the weak bonded electrons, okay, the electron shifts in this manner. See here. One more time, I will repeat it. See here, the pi bonded electron, a bond is made up of 2 electrons. Okay, the electron shifts over here. And the electron over here remains as it is. This carbon has its own electron, whereas the electron of this carbon is been shifted. Okay, this carbon is been shifted, due to which the electron is gained by hydrogen and it carries a negative charge, and the carbon donates this electron and carries a positive charge. The plus minus gets neutralized, single bond is prepared. Okay, when the hydrogen is attacking this carbon, now if the hydrogen is attacking this carbon, CH3, CH double bond CH2, H plus. Okay, now the electron is attracted by H plus. This electron is attracted by H plus here, the pi bond electron H plus. Okay, this carbon carries its own electron, therefore no charge over here. Okay, now when this hydrogen accepts this electron, carries a negative charge, and this carbon donates the electron, therefore it carries a positive charge. This plus minus gets neutralized, single bond. Okay, single bond. Now over here I will change it into CH3 and this one as CH2. Now which carbon will it attack, this one or this one? It will be decided. Now over here the carbocation over here, it is in this manner as well as this manner. Okay, okay, this is a secondary carbocation, this is a primary carbocation. The secondary carbocation contains 2 carbon and the primary carbocation contains only 1 carbon on its side. Okay, this one contains 2 carbon on both the sides, therefore secondary. It contains only 1 carbon, therefore it is primary. Okay, now which one is highly stable? How will you decide? That is due to hyperconjugation. Now many of them do not know what's hyperconjugation. Okay, let it be. Let us explain it in a simplest manner. Okay, now this carbon requires electron, therefore it will attract the electrons from the side carbons. Now how many side carbon has hydrogen? 3 plus 3, 6 hydrogen sigma bond can be attracted. How many side carbon hydrogen bonds are there? 6 hydrogen sigma bond can be attracted, whereas this one has only one side carbon, and how many hydrogen sigma bond can be attracted? 2. Which one has the maximum possibility of electrons? That is this one has maximum. Therefore your H plus will be moving over here, due to which this carbon will carry a positive charge. See here, one more time. CH3, CH, double bond CH2, H plus is going towards this carbon, and over here it carries 2 electron. One of the electron is attracted by H, carrying negative charge. This carbon donates its electron, it carries a positive charge. This carbon has its own electron, no charge, single bond, plus minus gets neutralized, CH3. Okay, this carbon carries with charge? Positive charge. Now this one is highly stable. Why? It is a secondary carbocation. Let it be. Okay, on the side 2 it can get how many bonds? 6 hydrogen bonds from the side carbons. This can get only 2. Therefore this one is more stable. Secondary is more stable than primary. Secondary is more stable than primary. Therefore H plus attacks this carbon, not this carbon. Okay, if it attacks this carbon, then also it is only a minor particle, not a major particle. Okay, now coming to the next point. Now as we told you, that is as I told you over here, that is H plus is a catalyst over here. Now what is the use of catalyst? It increases the rate of reaction. That means it increases the speed of reaction. How will it increase the speed of reaction? Okay, see here, when the catalyst is added to this alkene, it has developed a certain charge. It has developed a certain charge. Charge stands for energy. Charge stands for energy. And when a particle becomes energized, it can react with any other particle with very high speed. I will repeat one more time, Bachalo. See here. See my students over here. That is, when catalyst is added, what is the use of catalyst? It increases the rate of reaction. It increases the rate of reaction. When catalyst is added, it increases the rate of reaction. How? When it is added, it develops a certain charge in the particle. Now, a charged particle means it has energy. Your particle has gained energy, due to which now it can react faster with any other particle. Okay, now since H plus added to propene, it is a charged particle. Now when added to water, water reacts with it very faster, or this particle reacts with water very faster. Now over here CH3, CH, charge positive, CH3, when reacts with water, HOH, oxygen has the atomic number 8, first orbit 2, second orbit 6, out of which it forms 2 bonds to complete its octet. See here, it has prepared 2 bonds to complete its octet. It has how many electrons pending without reaction? 4 electrons pending without reaction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it right? It has 4 electrons pending without reaction. Now these electrons are negatively charged and they are donated towards positive charge. Now where do these electrons move? Towards the carbon over here. Okay, understood? These electrons are donated towards the carbon over here, due to which over here CH3, CH, which carries a positive charge, CH3, OH, H electron pair, Oxygen has donated the electron. How many electron? 1, due to which it carries a positive charge. Oxygen has accepted the 1 electron. Carbon has accepted the 1 electron. It carries a negative charge. This plus minus gets neutralized. Single bond. Okay. Now what happens over here? This oxygen attracts one of the electron from hydrogen. Okay. See here. It is in this manner. CH3, COH, CH3, 2 electrons. This carries a positive charge. Single bond H. Now there are 2 electrons in which one of the electron is attracted by oxygen. It carries a negative charge. H carries a positive charge. Plus minus gets neutralized. Therefore, this becomes H plus. CH3, CH, OH, CH3. You can see CH3, CH, OH, CH3. And this H plus. What is this H plus? This is your catalyst. Now, what is the use of catalyst? It increases the rate of reaction, takes part in the chemical reaction, and when the reaction is completed, it is removed or it is obtained as it is. Okay. See here, this H plus is removed or it is obtained as it is. Okay. It takes part in chemical reaction, increases the rate of reaction. How does it increase? By developing a certain charge. It has developed a certain charge, and then when it reacts with water, it prepares alcohol and it is removed over here. Okay. Understood? Now coming to some further concepts over here. Okay. Let us see what happens when second reaction. CH3, CH double bond CH2, that is a propene, again propene, plus H2O in the presence of deuterated ion D plus, in the presence of D plus. Okay, what will happen over here? Similar concept will take place. Similar concept. See here, CH3, CH double bond CH2. As you have seen, the H plus attacks this one. Is it right? Therefore, your D plus will attach this carbon over here. D plus attacks this carbon, due to which D plus, which attracts the pi bond. Is it right? Which attracts which bond? Pi bond electrons, because pi bond is a weak bond. It attracts this electron. It carries a negative charge. This carbon carries a positive charge. Okay. Now, this plus minus gets neutralized. Single bond. Okay. Now, what happens? This particle is converted in CH3, CH, single bond CH2D, which reacts with water, HOH. Is it right? Which reacts with water, HOH. Oxygen has how many electrons pending? As we do know, 4 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. This carries a positive charge. Over here, it donates the electron. As we have seen over here, this oxygen has donated the electron, will carry a positive charge. Carbon accepts the electron, it carries a negative charge. Single bond is prepared. Is it right? Same. This plus minus gets neutralized. Okay. The oxygen attracts one of the electron of hydrogen. Is it right? See here. As it attracts the electron, it carries a negative charge. H carries a positive charge. Plus minus gets neutralized. Okay. What will be your answer over here? CH3CH OH CH2D. CH3CH CH2D plus, what is removed over here? H plus. What is removed? H plus. Okay. Because H plus is also a catalyst. D plus can also be a catalyst, because D plus is deuterium. That is nothing but an isotope of hydrogen. Okay. Now, third one. Let us see the reaction of third one. CH3 CH double bond CH2 plus D2O H plus. D2O H plus. Let us see what will be the answer. Let us see what will be the answer over here. CH3 CH double bond CH2 plus H plus. H plus. Is it right? Okay. Now it attracts which bond? Pi bond. It will carry a negative charge. This will carry a positive charge. Single bond. This positive negative gets neutralized. Okay. And it carries CH3. Same concept is going on. Only thing is I am changing the particle over here. Here it is H2O. Here also H2O. Here it was H plus. It was D plus. Now I am changing again H plus D2O. Okay. Now D2O DOD as HOH, it is DOD containing how many electrons? 4 electrons of oxygen. The oxygen donates one of the electron over here, due to which oxygen carries a positive charge and carbon carries a negative charge. Okay, carbon carries a negative charge. Single bond is prepared, plus minus gets neutralized. The oxygen attracts the electron from one of the D. As it attracts, it carries a negative charge, D carries a positive charge. Plus minus gets neutralized. Okay, the answer prepared will be CH3, CH, OD, CH3 plus D plus. CH3, CH, OD, CH3 plus D plus. Is it right? Now, let us consider the fourth question. See here, same condition but different questions over here. Okay, fourth one. CH3 CH double bond CH2 plus D2O D plus. D2O D plus. Again same condition. CH3 CH double bond CH2 plus D plus attracts the pi bonded electrons. As it attracts this one, it carries a negative charge. This carbon donates, therefore it carries a positive charge. Single bond. This plus minus gets neutralized. Okay, that means it is preparing CH2D. Okay, then treated with ODO carrying 4 electrons, where oxygen donates one of the electron to the carbocation, therefore it carries a positive charge, and this carbon carries a negative charge as usual over here in this manner. Single bond, this plus minus gets neutralized. Okay, the oxygen attracts one of the electron of D, it carries a negative charge, D carries a positive charge, plus minus gets neutralized. What is the answer prepared? CH3 CHOD CH2D, CH3 CHOD CH2D plus D plus. Okay, I hope you have understood this video very properly. If you have understood this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you students.